Hi, it's Jane again. I've been to auction yet again and picked up the cutest little jewellery box full of costume jewellery with a lovely fairy on top. It's a cute little box, which I'll definitely be able to sell the box. That won't go to waste at all. But let's see what we got inside. I'll drag all this lot out and have a little go through it together. Sweet little box. Right, what have we got? A hair grip, not much use. A costume jewellery bracelet, that's got plenty of go in it. That can be sold just as it is. Super bead, part of a watch display, might be useful. Oh, I like that. Seahorse, sparkly seahorse keyring. Seems to have all its sparkles. That can be sold just as it is. And a little stretchy bracelet. I think we'll cut that up and have the beads from that one. And oh, out she come. Another one to come out. I don't know how that even managed to get itself in there. Right, that's a fiddle one later. That's a vintage pearl necklace. These are faux pearls with a vintage clasp and a crucifix attached, which I will have to get out later. Sweet little heart pendant on there. That's cute. Excuse me, it's got all its rhinestones. That's one we can sell just as it is. A little butterfly keyring. It's got some verdigris to the back of that. Let's see if it'll clean up. Might be able to resell that one. Oh, and an owl. That's really sweet. Yep, we'll definitely be able to sell that one. Alright. This is a bracelet. It's unusual. It's got green, blue bicone crystals in the middle of it. That's quite nice. We'll have a go at selling that one just as it is. Get rid of it clean. And some jangly earrings missing their ear hooks. That's not a problem. As we have a pair, we just swap that onto new hooks. They're fun. Super. Oh, I like these beads. This is a prayer bead. Prayer beads. But aren't they lovely beads? Really dark red. They're heavy plastic, but they are really nice. They sound nice as well. We'll definitely reuse those. Who's coming out next? Oh, a memory wire bracelet. Oh, look, that's a really nice bead. It's got some very nice beads on it. Very nice. These are glass. It's got some real weight. It's got square beads on it. Another wedding cake bead or lampwork bead. Oh, they're really nice. I like that. That's nice. We might try and sell that as it is, and if it doesn't sell, we'll definitely have the parts off of that. Actually, I think the memory wire is not in too good a shape. I think that was one for cutting up and reusing those beads. They're lovely. This is a stretchy bracelet. Plastic beads. That'll have to be redone. Put that on the cutting up pile. Oh, another bead that looks a bit like that bead, but a different size. Another, oh, the elastic's gone on that stretchy bracelet. and some of the beads have got wear to them, so I think that's one for cutting up and using some of the parts. And oh, another stretchy bracelet that's gone. These are really pretty beads, aren't they? They're very pretty. Yep, we'll have to restring that one, re-elastic it. And yeah, you're a bracelet. You're a very small vintage bracelet. Can't see a maker on it. Seems small to me. Oh, it will go round. Yeah. I'll try give that a clean up and see if we can sell that one. It definitely needs a clean and a polish. This is a vintage choker, very lightweight. Nice piece. It look nice on. It's very lightweight, but I do like it. Vintage clasp. No makers on that. That can be sold just as it is. This is another one. The elastic is going and it's missing its charm, so we'll cut that one up and have the beads. Academy 2005-2006 Ipswich Town Football Club. Always look up these badges and see if they're worth anything. So I will give that one a little Google, see what it's worth before deciding what to do with it. How'd you come? Nope. I think I need to find the other end of whatever's in here. Let's come back to that one in a minute. That's a little earring with quite a bit of hair in it, plastic beads. Let's see if you've got a pair. Oh, well now we've got a tangle. Oh, no, that's not the other earring. This could be a triple strand necklace, I think. Or even a big multi-strand necklace. Let's undo the clasp. See if that helps with getting it free. Oh. Out you come. Let's buy next. Actually, I think I've just found a second clasp. Alright, this is... Oh, it's got 3 strands of chain. It's a big knot. There's definitely 2 necklaces in here. And they are just one big knot. There's this one. I'm not sure if that's a separate necklace or not. Right, that's a bit of a detangling for me, but they're just costume jewellery. That's glass. So we'll get them detangled. Oh, I thought you were a bracelet. Find the end of this one. Oh, there's another, some of those beads. Oh, so it's an earring. And we've got those 2 beads, so we're missing a bigger bead. But they're very pretty. We can definitely do something with those. Now, what are you? You're another multi-strand thing. Oh, there we go. It's a bronze tone metal multi-strand necklace. It's rather nice, actually. That's rather nice. Got some nice beads on there. All right, we'll have a look at selling that one just as it is. And there's another. Not sure what's going on here. How do things get so tangled? There's another. That's got an elastic. Is that a hairband? Might be a hairband. Wood and metal tone. I think we'll cut that one up. This is a feather earring. These feathers have definitely seen better days. They're in a bit of a state. But pink feather earring. A hook. A sparkly daisy necklace. That's nice. That can be sold just as it is. And it's got a little pearl on it. Just a over the head necklace. We'll reuse the chain from that, I think. Oh, and a rhinestone choker. Looks like it's got all its rhinestones. Little rhinestone choker. That's by, who are you by? River Island. It's quite sweet. We'll try and sell that one just as it is. We've got quite a big pile for selling just as it is. I think, oh yeah, these are multi hanging earrings with lots of dangly bits on them. And that one's got 3 crosses, that one's got 2 crosses on it. It's got some nice bits on there. Originally £7. Oh, sale £2. I think because they're getting so tangled. I think we'll have the parts off of those and redo them. Another one of these earrings. And this one's still tangled into this one. This is a very large pink shell necklace. And that's a enamelled pendant. I shall take that apart at my leisure. Nope. Oh well, sweet little lot. Those can be separated out and we can have the beads off of that. Right, and that's it. So quite a bit of bits and bobs to do for me. More little beads. What was your favourite bit from today? I'm trying to think what my favourite bit is. I think even though it isn't complete, I really like these beads. I mean, it's bent up, but I really like the beads on here. There's some beautiful glass beads on here. And I also really like these beads. So some nice bits to work with here. Thank you very much for watching. What was your favourite bit? Let me know in the comments. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.